Yes friends, you must have understood till now that there are some nouns and there are some verbs. We combine nouns and verbs and make lot many sentences. As we have learned to make sentences, we'll think some more specialities about these verbs. Verbs are pathati, gachati, likhati. As you are practicing with them, every verb has its verb root. For example, pathati, its basic verb root is patha. That is called as dhatuhu. So when you understand this dhatuhu, you will be able to use it in all the tenses, in all the persons also. So we learn dhatuhu is gachati, basic dhatuhu is gama, root, verb root. Pathati, patha, likhati, likha, vadati, vada. Just like that, these dhatus are declined in parasmay padam and atmane padam and also in ubhaya padam. What is this parasmay padam? Wherever we hear ti, pathati, then this root is declined in parasmay padam. Wherever we hear te, vandate, then the root is declined in atmane padam. This atmane padam and parasmay padam is decided. All the roots are classified in these two, of course in ubhaya padam also. So I'll explain this later on. So here some roots are from parasmay padam and some roots are from atmane padam. For example, vardha, vardhate. You cannot say it vardhati. No. So it is vardhate. It will be used in atmane padam. Pathati. It will be used in parasmay padam always. Some roots are used in both the padams. How? As you wish. That is ubhaya padam. Let's see the examples then after. As we have learnt, there are verb roots and they follow atmane padam or parasmay padam or they are in ubhaya padam. Ubhaya means both. Some roots are declined sometimes in parasmay padam, sometimes in atmane padam, as it is with pachati. Sometimes you can say in parasmay padam pachati and in atmane padam pachate. That is your wish when you will use it. But here in parasmay padam, all the roots which are in parasmay padam, you are supposed to use them in parasmay padam itself because they are classified already. The roots in atmane padam, you are supposed to use them in atmane padam. Here we can read that gacchati, gacchataha, gacchanti, gacchasi, gacchataha, gachatha, gacchami, gacchavaha, gacchamaha. You are used to this parasmay padam. Now newly we learn atmane padam. Vandate, vandete, vandante, vandase, vandethe, vandadve, vande, vandavahe, vandamahe. So balakaha vandate, balakau vandete, balakaha vandante, aham vande, vande mataram. So let's use this practice for atmane padam. Time is most important in our life. While speaking in Sanskrit, you will have to follow ghati. Ghati is watch. Let's learn that. We'll start from 5 o'clock. That is 5 o'clock. It is said as vadanam, pancha vadanam. As you have learnt all the numbers, just understand how to use them in the watch. Panchavadanam, Shatvadanam, Saptavadanam, Ashtavadanam, Navavadanam, Dashavadanam, Ekadashavadanam, Dwadashavadanam. Now about 1, 2 and 3, you will have to pay attention specially. It is Ekam, but you will say ekavadanam. Dve, you will say dvivadanam. Trini, you will say trivadanam. And chatvari, you will say chaturvadanam. Let's learn now how to use quarters. For example, if it is 1:15, you will have to say sapada ekavadanam, sapada panchavadanam. So sapada denotes 1/4. Then half past 5, it is sardha panchavadanam, sardha dvivadanam, sardha chaturvadanam. Let's remember, 1/4 is sapada and half is sardha. Sardha panchavadanam, sapada panchavadanam. Then 12:45, it is padona dvadashavadanam. Pada is 1/4. When it is minus, 1/4 is less. It is una. It is said as padona. One pada is less. So it is padona dvadashavadanam, padona ekavadanam, padona dvivadanam, padona panchavadanam. Let's remember, sapada, sardha, padona. Sapada, sardha, padona. How to deal with the minutes now? 5 minutes. Panchadhika ekavadanam. 1, 5. Panchadhika ekavadanam. Dashadhika ekavadanam. Vinshatyadhika ekavadanam. So this is pancha, panchadhikam. Dasha, dashadhikam. Vinshatihi, vinshatyadhikam. Panchavinshatihi, panchavinshatyadhikam. Accordingly, you can go. Start using watch you will practice with. Let's learn to say days. Adya is today. Adya aham pathami. Today I read. Adya aham likhami. Today I write. So this adya means today. Shvaha is tomorrow. Parashvaha is day after tomorrow. Praparashvaha is day after tomorrow. Adya is today. Hyaha is yesterday. Parahyaha, day before yesterday, and praparahyaha, 2 days before yesterday. Adya is today. Shvaha is tomorrow. Parashvaha is day after tomorrow. And praparashvaha is 2 days after tomorrow. Adya, today. Hyaha, yesterday. Parahyaha, day before yesterday. And praparahyaha, 2 days before yesterday. Idanim is now. Idanim aham pathayami. Idanim aham likhami. Idanim bhavan kim karoti. Let's learn some more words regarding time. Saptahaha is a week. Pakshaha is a fortnight. Masaha is month. Varsham is year. You can call Varsham as Samvatsaram. Samvatsaraha also. Saptahaha, you can specify last week by saying Gata Saptahaha. So this Gata, this word is very important. You can say Gata Masaha, Gata Saptahaha, Gata Dinam also. Agami will be Agami Saptahaha, Agami Masaha, Agami Pakshaha, and Agami Varsham. All the best for Agami Varsham. Kada is when. Kada pathati. Adya pathati. Adya likhati. Kada likhati. Panchavadane likhati. For the days, we have words. Bhanuvasaraha is Sunday. Somavasaraha, Monday. Mangalavasaraha, Tuesday. Budhavasarah Wednesday. Guruvasarah Thursday. Shukravasarah is Friday and Shanivasarah is Saturday. So let's play this game with your friend. Kaha vasarah? Adya kaha vasarah? Kada pathati? Guruvasare pathati kyum? Practice with it.